You can't interact with certain account Instagram. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix a problem which says you can't interact with certain account on Instagram. So to fix this problem now, I have two methods for you. So the first method is all you have to do now, go to your Play Store and search for Instagram. After you search for Instagram, make sure to update your Instagram. So after you update your Instagram, go back and open up the Instagram app like this. So after you open up the Instagram app, now go to your profile. After you come to your profile like this, now go to menu. So from this menu, all you have to do is scroll to down and go to this your activity. Under your activity, now scroll to down, there is likes and comments. So first of all, tap on this likes button. So in this like section, now tap on this select button. After you tap on the select button, now go and select some of the video that you like and unlike them. So if you like more videos on Instagram, just go ahead and select some of them and tap on this unlike button and unlike them. So after you unlike all those videos, now go back and tap on the comment section and go ahead now and select some, tap on this select again. After you tap on the select, now go ahead now and select some comment that you made on other people post and delete them. So delete the comments. After you finish deleting the comment and the likes, so now go back. So now the next step, all you have to do now you need to follow 3 steps again. Now stop liking other people posts on Instagram, stop following people on Instagram, and stop commenting on other people posts on Instagram, and stop sharing and stop saving other people posts on Instagram. Stop interacting with anyone Instagram post on Instagram. The reason why Instagram gives you this like restriction is because most of the restriction comes from a small account. If you have small account, you may likely get this restriction because your account maybe is new account. So if you start following random people on Instagram, from there Instagram system will detect your account as like a robot account. So Instagram doesn't allow robot account to exist. So they used to add those restriction in order for Instagram to avoid people creating robot account. Just stop following, stop liking, stop commenting, stop sharing, and stop saving posts. From there, you can wait for 2 to 3 days or a week. If you do this for like a week, your account will start working properly. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below.